can keep records of your stock for different items. Let's assume this is for one item, call item 5. You can set up your stock like this. You can see the date, day 1, 2, 3, 4. That is represent the specific dates will be 1st of March of that year, a particular year. You can see, so you can see column. Okay, let's remove this column, it's not necessary here. And see column for stock in, column for stock out, and the balance after stock out. So how do we keep our on the first day of March? You brought in 50 pieces of that item 5, but there's no stock out. So what do we do to calculate the balance? Add sorry add the balance, end balance for that month. Let's say the end balance for the month is 50. Add the end balance, which is on my own cell E5 plus the new stocking in cell C6. Then minus the stock out, even though there's no stock out on day 1. Press enter. Okay, so you still have balance of 100 after the end of day 1. Now let's see, after the end of day 2, still no stock in, no stock out. At the end of day 13, those stock in. Okay, let's say there's stock out of 2030. We have balance of 70. On day 14, there's stock out of 25, a balance of. On day 17, there was stock in. So this is a simple stock keeping I can use for your business. I hope this is informative.